Pitaka Classic Ultra Slim Case for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, a masterpiece of minimalist protection. When it comes to protecting foldable devices like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, most cases add noticeable bulk and compromise the phone's sleek design. The Pitaka Classic Ultra Slim Case takes a different approach, delivering premium protection in a feather-light, minimalist form that enhances the Z Fold 7 rather than hiding it. Crafted from aerospace-grade aramid fiber, the same material used in high-performance gear and protective applications, the Pitaka case is remarkably strong while remaining under 1 millimeter thin and weighing just 21 grams. It's 5 times stronger than steel, yet incredibly lightweight, offering scratch resistance and reliable daily protection without adding unnecessary bulk. Pitaka is known for its meticulous craftsmanship, and this case is no exception. The fusion weaving technique gives it a luxurious, silky smooth texture that feels as good as it looks. Unlike glossy plastics or soft silicone, the aramid fiber weave strikes the perfect balance between grip and elegance, making the case not just protection, but a tactile experience. The Pitaka Classic Ultra Slim Case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is the perfect choice for minimalists and professionals who want premium materials, refined aesthetics, and reliable scratch protection without compromising the device's slim profile. It's not a rugged case for extreme drops, but if you value sophistication, MagSafe compatibility, and an authentic barely there feel, this case is among the finest options available.